BEA's Magic Switch restroom kits utilize microwave technology to provide a reliable touchless activation and locking solution for single-occupancy restrooms. BEA's MS42 enables touchless door operation with wave to open and wave to lock functionalities, reducing touch points inside and outside the restroom. Versions, including power supply, offer a pre-wired solution with a BR3X logic module integrated in a UL294 compliant power supply cabinet, reducing installation time and cost. The red-green LEDs and audible alerts indicate if the restroom is in use and also the door lock status. Pre-configured kits make ordering and stocking a breeze. Options include your choice of single or double gang plates, with or without dedicated power supply to fit your application. BEA's Magic Switch family provides highly accessible and germ-free door activation without physical contact for the health and well-being of end users. Learn more about BEA's Magic Switch touchless restroom kits at beasensors.com.